Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply a formula to an entire column in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you need the same calculation or logic to automatically apply to every row in your sheet, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your data. First, open your web browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet homepage where you can access all your sheets and workspaces. Now that you're on the homepage, look through your existing files and sheets to find the one where you want to apply your formula. Click on the sheet to open it. This might take a moment to load depending on the size of your sheet, so give it a few seconds to fully display all your data. Once your sheet has loaded completely, the next step is to add a new column where your formula will live. To do this, click on the column header area to insert a new column. Give this column a clear name that describes what the formula will calculate or determine. After naming it, you'll need to select an appropriate column type. This is important because the column type should match the kind of data your formula will produce, whether that's text, numbers, dates, or checkboxes. With your new column set up, click on the first cell directly under the column header. This is where you'll insert your formula. For example, if you're using an IF formula, you would type it in now. Let me walk you through a quick example. If you're checking whether a value in another column meets a certain condition, your IF formula might look something like equals IF open parenthesis. Your condition, comma, result, if true, comma, result, if false, close parenthesis. Customize this based on your specific needs and the data in your sheet. After you've typed in your formula, press enter to confirm it. The formula will calculate and display the result in that first cell. Now here's where the magic happens. Right-click on that cell where you just entered your formula. From the menu that appears, look for and select the option that says Convert to Column Formula. This is the key step that applies your formula to the entire column automatically. And that's it. Now every cell in that column, including any new rows you add in the future, will automatically have your formula applied. This ensures that your calculations stay consistent and update automatically as your data changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.